Today is 3 days after Sandy. This is the mobile gas station. You have inspection for $37. The bad part is it's a line for gas. Here, you got one cop trying to you get lines, very bad lines. You get lines that are going to come over here as well. It's kind of scary. You know, all the people that have generators, you got a line from here, no exaggeration, going all the way across, look at all the gas and I don't know how long they've been here, maybe a few hours. But worst case scenario, there are more cars still parked in trying to get gas. You have this line, still of people, and this is from the front part of the station, all the way down here. They all got gas cans. Look how far back this going. About this far back. Not only that, you still got cars here lining. So we got a line going all the way from here towards from the apartment building, all the way over here. So, God, check this out. And more people lines going over here. Look how far the line is going. It's still for gas here. Just be an educated guess. You go across the street. There's not really much place in here, and I'll show you how far the cars are going. These cars have been here for a few hours. One guy's trying to cut the line here. I don't think he is. He's just trying to get out of the spot. Good luck on him. Got a few guys here. Okay. Now, how far back we are from the station? Gas station's over there. And we got these people here. Cars here. This is still the same block, just so I gave you guys that little attention. Speaking of horns, what else is new? I don't know how much those other people were talking about. Looks crazy, but I think I record and stick on fucking YouTube. What the hell, right? Tell it to the press. You should see the line up front. Some guy almost tried to cut, and the people almost screaming and shit. Fucking crazy. I figure you guys, look, I just had lunch and you guys are still here. Shit! If this is going on to the press, please don't worry about the words here. Anyway, almost here. Hey, there's people here that's been waiting here like almost 2 hours. There's only four cars back.
I'll back up. It's incredible.
Good.
I got all this shit here because.
Good luck. Yeah, people trying to cut the line. So, we're on the next block, guys. We're on the next block. Yo, this is the gas fucking line, man. You believe that shit? I know, it's crazy. You should see the line with the people with the gas tanks in the front. And we're still going to another block, guys. This is crazy. Question is where they have gas by the end of the fucking day. And still, yo, it's fucking crazy, man. You should see how far. No, not only that. There are people waiting on line with those little gas things for the generators.
But that's a different line. It's a different line for the generator.
Yeah, but still, it's going to be at least a 2-hour wait here.
Yeah, I live here, so I don't know why. Bring me some coffee.
Bring us some coffee.
Yeah.
You might as well have like a video game system in there. Watch a porno movie, something. Anyway, you got a little gap light over here. You might as well move front. Somebody else is waiting. Well, you don't have to worry about it. Okay. And let the line turns this way. Shit. Going around the corner. Oh, I don't fucking believe this. We're 2 blocks and 1 block around the corner. If this is a gas line, you guys are screwed. Now, I'm just going around a block or so. This is a gas line. Are you on the gas line? Holy yo, you won't fucking believe how far this line is. No, it's bad. It's bad. You gotta go around this corner, you gotta go up another cell block.
Yeah.
It's fucking crazy.
It's short already. The other guy is waiting for 5 hours on the main gas station 2 days ago.
Holy shit.
This one is short, an hour or 2 hours.
Do you remember the movie Mad Max? That happened a long time ago?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's how it is.
Yeah.
Do.
Yeah, what's the line?
You don't even want to know.
Really?
You might as well push your bike. You might as well push it. Okay, you're about 2 blocks from the station, just like that. There's also another line. There's another line of cars somewhere over there on the other side.
Northern, right?
Yeah.
I know it's one of them's going down this way. It's really long.
Yeah. Not only that. Not only that, you got a full line of people with the gas tank.
Yeah, I see that too.
Going in. I'm like, fuck. No, I think I record this and stick it on YouTube. I hope you don't mind. You don't give a fuck, right?
Yeah.
But I've been recording it all the way from over there, all the way over here, and we still got line.
One line?
Huh?
One line?
2 lines.